everyone, in today's Snapchat video, I wanted to show you what to do if you forgot your Snapchat password. So if you're like me and you logged out of Snapchat for some reason or you deleted and reinstalled the app, you might be on this page and you might not be able to log in. So we'll look at a couple of different ways to get you right back into your Snapchat account. And make sure you press like and subscribe to this channel. I post daily social media videos every single day with over 500 videos already. So please consider subscribing. So here's the plan. Go to Snapchat app or reinstall it if you deleted yours. And go ahead and press login here on this page. Now you're gonna get your username and email. If you don't remember your username or email, I still haven't found a way to get around that. So hopefully you know your username or email. Try both username and email if this doesn't work for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and type in my username, Howfinity here, same as my YouTube channel. And I don't know my password. I logged out and forgot my password. So I'm gonna press forget your password right here in the center of the page. Now here's your two different options. I'm gonna try both because I don't remember if I sign up with my phone number or with my email. So I'm gonna try my phone number here and I'm gonna have it send me a text message here to verify. You have to do the verification with a call or a message. And here it is. I'm gonna press continue, verifying. And now I could type in my new password. So the phone number method worked very well for me. It's probably the easiest one because I actually don't have access to that email address anymore. And as soon as I typed in my password a couple of times, the new password has been entered. And now if I go to login and type in my username here and my password, I should be able to log back in. And I'm logged back into my Snapchat account. Let me go ahead and log out one more time. And if you press forgot password here, you could also do via email, and that will take you to the browser where you have to type in your email address, and then it will send you an email for confirmation. So just go ahead and type in your email here, and it's gonna give you a different types of verification here. So you gotta choose your storefront here. And now it will send you an email where you gotta go ahead and check your mailbox. So the forgot password does give you an option to do it via email or phone number. If you don't have access to either one, I really don't know a way to do it. So if you do know a way, please let people know in the comment section. So this could help out everyone else that doesn't have those two options. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for daily social media videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.